Gary, looks like it's that time of week again. Bath time. Come on, let's go get the water started. You're gonna have to get in that tub, Gary. Now, Gary, we can do this the hard way or the easy way. Or the medium way. Or the semi-medium easy hard way. Or the sort of hard with a touch of awkward, easy, difficult, challenging way. So that's how you want to play it, huh? Gary, check out this new toy. Fetch! Huh? New boomerang pet ball. Really works. Hi. Gary! There's a bomb strapped to my chest! It's gonna explode in 3 seconds unless you take a bath! Please. I am now going to assault your mind with subliminal messages. Sorry you had to see that. Hello, fancy French restaurant? I've got a naughty snail here who won't take a bath. What? Could you say that again? Slow down, it's like you're speaking some other language. Hey, Gare, how about some leapfrog? Okay, your turn. Hey, Gare, how about some leapfrog? Crisp dollar bill for the next fella to take a bath in this house. That didn't work either, huh? Gary! 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 Look what I found! It's an old pirate treasure map revealing the location of buried pirate treasure in this very house! Come on, boy! Let's go get that treasure! Woo! Okay, Gary. Now 40 paces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10...